Causes of spermatorrhea. There are 6 main causes in order of priority. Once you identify which one matches your situation, you can finally start working toward balance and control naturally. Remember, all causes point to the fact that the natural temperament of the sexual organs has been disturbed. Because of this, they are currently not functioning properly. Once the natural temperament is restored, they will start producing thick, high quality semen instead of thin, watery, low quality semen, thereby stopping the leakage. Number 1 cause: weak and watery semen. In some men, the semen loses its thickness and turns runny like water. When that happens, it doesn't have the natural weight and stability to stay inside the body. So even small movements or urination can make it escape. You will notice constant tiredness and a feeling of emptiness afterward. Number 2, low retention power. Sometimes the problem is not in the semen itself, but in the organs that should hold it. The nerves and muscles responsible for control become weak, often after long periods of stress or overuse. Then even a small strain, like lifting something or passing urine, can trigger leakage. Number 3, excessive heat. Another common reason is too much internal heat. When the organ's temperature rises beyond its natural balance, it affects the fluid's quality, turning it yellowish, causing burning or irritation. This heated semen shows that the system is over-energized and needs cooling and recovery. Number 4, overstimulation and mental pressure. Modern habits like constant porn exposure, frequent masturbation, and sexual fantasies put the nervous system under constant pressure. This keeps the body in a state of false arousal and weakens its natural control mechanism. Over time, semen turns watery, erections become unstable, and mental clarity drops. Number 5, overproduction of semen. Some men have a naturally active system that produces more semen than the body can comfortably hold. If they stay sexually inactive for long periods, that surplus looks for an exit on its own. You may see occasional leakage without any weakness or burning, just the body unloading the extra fluid. Number 6, weak kidneys and vital organs. Sometimes what appears as semen is a thin milky substance coming from the kidneys themselves. When the kidneys overheat, they start losing their protective fat through urine. This causes fatigue, lower back pain, and a constant sense of weakness in the core. In the next lesson, we will talk about the treatment of spermatorrhea, how to calm the system, strengthen the organs, and rebuild your natural control. If you would like to understand this topic even better, I have put together a spermatorrhea free PDF guide. It walks you through the key symptoms, root causes, and simple natural methods to help you manage the condition effectively. You can get your free copy using the link in the description below.